I have to agree with Councilmember Bouzet because our teenagers, it's not about soda pop. It's about inactivity. They sit on their buns on the computer, texting, and Corky is correct, in the school education system, PE is now a voluntary activity. These kids should be out there involved in activities. We have wonderful PE programs. There's recreation programs. PAL is one, Salesian Boys and Girls Club. These kids are just not active. And I don't care how much soda you drink or don't drink, if you don't physically exercise yourself, you're not going to be slim, and you're going to become obese. And my final comment is that all my life, I have been a soda drinker. I have been a junk food. And I have no intentions of stopping. So you go ahead and vote what you want to, but I will not be supporting the motion. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Councilmember Bouzet.
Thank you, Madam Mayor. You know, I kind of go along with what Councilmember Bates said a minute ago. And my Tom Butt, when we were standing down there talking at the break time, and Councilperson Beckles came down and used language worse than a sailor in telling us how terrible we were. And that was okay, though, because I could take it. It didn't bother me. But I want to say to the public, when I come here and I tell you, I have documentation right here. I don't tell you what somebody told me. I tell you what I know. So, ladies and gentlemen at home, I want to tell you what I know. Because I don't do things to try to really create a problem. I do things because I've done my homework. Pick up your computer. Put in the name Lisa Valtenbergen from the West County Times. Go back to 2008 when Javanka Beckles and I ran. And she interviewed Javanka, and Javanka said, I am not African-American, I'm Panamanian. And that's all I was saying. So if you're interrupting me, ma'am. Madam Mayor, can you get order?
She's correcting you.
She can't correct me because...
I continue, Councilmember.
Never said that, so I get
so
her correcting.
what I'm saying to you is that if you go online, you look that up, you can see that.
She obviously misquoted me.
I am not going to use the same kind of language or the same style that she used, because if I did, then they'd say I was trying to jump on somebody. What she told me, basically, she was threatening me. But that's okay. What I want to say is, I want to say this about the item. I think Nat Bates was totally correct in referencing what we're...
Continue, Councilmember Bouzet.
Okay, well, I'm just trying to, all right. What I'm saying is, the exercise program, I would like to see us come together with the school districts in our area and make it mandatory that kids do physical education. That's what I'd like to see happen before I see a tax go on. Now, I think Councilmember Bates hit it right on the head. We spent hours after hours talking about the same thing, and we're not going anywhere. I think that one of the things that, the reason I can't support this, because I want to think about the 99% that don't have anything. Let me say that again, the 99%. Madam Mayor, can I get some order over here on the left of me? Thank you. The 99% can't afford another tax. They're living in tents out there on the street. They're living in tents all over the country. This council claims they're part of the 99%. So if you're going to support the 99%, why would you want to put another tax on them? I also have to look at the whole community as a whole. And I really get tired of people talking about black and brown, because there's more people in this city than just black and brown. We are a complete city of all cultures. So when we put a tax on them, we put a tax on all cultures. And I think what Councilperson Bates said a minute ago, he's been eating junk food and drinking all his life. I think the same people out here in the street will be doing the same thing. There's nothing going to change on a tax. nothing's going to change on the tax. So, you know, we can make it a feel-good like we've been doing, you know, a lot of feel-good stuff, but I just can't afford to spend a taxpayer's dollar. And, you know, sometimes the truth really hurts, but, you know, we sometimes not very popular about the things we do, but the truth sometimes really hurts. And the point is, we don't need a tax right now. That really hurts. So, and I don't want to spend the money to put a tax on. So for that, I just can't support it.
Okay, we do have a motion and a second on the floor. If we